I've been making these videos lately about The Serpent, the series that plays in the 70s. I think they could film here as well, because I cannot imagine this as being a lot changed since 50, 60 years. Good morning. I'm here at the Bang Chak, and this is in Sukhumvit Soi 93, which is the Bang Chak area. And I met here with Dana actually 2 days ago, and I just realized that it looked pretty cool. So I came back today to just try and go around and see if I can discover some stuff. And I just found this klong here, and you know I like klongs, but obviously this one is not really saleable. No, the reason why I'm here is because I wanted to show you the area around the Bang Chak station, where there is a nice market I noticed, and very typical shop houses. So I'm actually on my bicycle here, and then I just noticed this. There's a small Chinese temple here that I will show you also. So this looks like a playhouse for the kids. It's very peaceful, tranquil. So let me go to my bicycle. Yeah, the weather is beautiful today. It has this, you get this really bright colors now from the sun. See, this is the kind of shopping street. And all the houses are very colorful. So they painted all the houses in very light colors. It looks really nice. So here's my bike, so let's jump on. Yeah, so here, if you go straight, you get to the BTS station. And in the morning, I was here the other day in a weekday at 9 o'clock, and there is a nice market, and a lot of people come here to buy their food. So I will use that footage as well. But what I said, I just wanted to come back. Actually, it's cool to see all these satellite dishes here. You see the train passing there in the back. Very nice, typical street. The colors of the houses are very nice. So my father is from an island which is called Curacao, and in the harbor of Curacao you have old Dutch style buildings, and they all have these kind of colors as well. And I know that there the reason was that they didn't want the houses all to be white because it's too bright on the eye, so they colored them in the pastel colors, like you have in Miami as well, right? In the Art Deco district. here you have the market. Little shops. Yeah, so this is a typical market where you can get your ingredients for making your food at home. And here more of these cool houses. Yeah, I've been making these videos lately about the Serpent, the series that plays in the 70s. I think they could film here as well, because I cannot imagine this as being a lot changed since 50, 60 years. Only different cars, I guess, right? See, everybody here has true vision. Yeah, this is just a lovely district, eh? And it's really next to the Bang Chak BTS station. It's very easy to get here. I knew this area already from before because my friend Anders, he has a company called the Cereal Pickler. I mean, it's very, very popular. He makes pickles, and I visited his shop one time, which is in this area as well. Not sure if he still has his shop here, so if I say it wrong, Anders, I'm sorry. And if you see this, let me know where you are. Then I will mention it as well. Yeah, so here we get to the BTS station. BTS passing by. So I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Bang Chak area. If you did, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.